gentleman over there, scribbling. George, please welcome George up.
Mr. Toastmaster, thank you. Well, for all of our benefit, Stan is speaking from the Entertaining Speaker Manual. This is one of the advanced manuals. And there are some points here that we probably all can benefit from knowing. This was to have been considered an after-dinner speech. And the speaker is reminded by Toastmasters International that after dinner folks often easily go to sleep, on board, need to be entertained effectively. So the level of the bar, as we like to say, is kind of high in terms of looking for humor. So I'm asked some questions, and I'm going to start with some of the latter ones. How effectively did the speaker capture and hold the audience's attention? I think very effectively. Because I looked around, there was excellent eye contact, nobody was bored. I think it was very effective for its duration. Now, if this speech had been elongated with some more information, it would have been harder to hold attention. Because the first questions I'm asked is, how well was this audience entertained? Now, I would submit that entertainment does not necessarily mean guffawing laughter. Entertainment, I believe, you would pause and think about this with me, includes things like amusement, appreciation, intrigue, satisfaction. If we as an audience can relate to the satisfaction that he exhibited from all that he learned on this trip, learning about culture, learning about history, learning about the things that had occurred in all those 5,000 plus years that he described. If he can intrigue us with the value of knowing that, and reiterating what we have learned years ago in our elementary secondary education, then that's a form of entertainment. So I did not detect jokes in this speech. How effectively, I'm asked, did the speaker deliver jokes, stories, and or anecdotes, and did they fit the talk's theme? And I was asked to find the theme. I think that the way in which you related the story, including a lot of gestures, historical facts that you presented, was very effective for the duration of the speech. I do think that there are ways that it can be improved without necessarily having something extremely funny in terms of humor. The building, as I mentioned, on the choice of the topic and the satisfaction from learning and the humor in sharing the time as the clincher at the end. The humor here, in my opinion, was built into the opening question. What would it take for you to travel 5,000 miles? And there are various answers to this. The desire for learning, the appreciation of culture, and finally, the city. So it was a little subtle. I think that was the theme. The theme was appreciation for the value of travel and really trying to elicit in us as an audience a plan to do such a trip. So congratulations, Stan. Consider tweaking a little bit by tone of voice and by questions to specifically the members of the audience at that opening question. What would it take for you, Mike, to go 5,000 miles?